Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your math teacher. So, as our topic, exponents is going on, in which we have learned rules and laws of exponents, which are like the first law. If we are having two rational number in multiplication and their base are same, then what happens? Then their power adds. And the second law is if there are two rational number are in division and having same base, then what happens? Their power subtract. So listen student, in multiplication power adds if they are having same base, and in division the power subtract if they are having same base. Now third law is there is a power of power, like as you are saying, is there like that any rational number a upon b is having whole power n, and again it's having a whole power n, then what will happen? This power of power will be in multiplication. We will got a upon b to the whole power m into n. Now fourth law is like there are two rational number, let a upon b into c upon d, and they are having whole power n, then this power n will be of both the rational number of a upon b to the whole power n into c upon d to the whole power n. Now fifth law is like if our rational number is having negative power, then how we can remove this negative sign? By we can remove this negative sign by the reciprocal of the base. So as the base here is a upon b, so this a upon b will become b upon a, and this minus n will become plus n. Now sixth law is let a upon b any rational number and it is having power 0, then what happens? Its value becomes 1. Like any number or any variable is having power 0, then its value becomes 1. Now today we will do some miscellaneous questions based on these laws. So first one is within a bracket 1 upon 3 to the whole power minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 to the whole power minus 3 is divided by 1 upon 4 to the whole power minus 3. So what we will do first we will solve the small bracket according to the BODMAS rule. Now as you are seeing, all the rational number are having negative power, and we know how we can make it positive by the reciprocal of the base. So this 1 upon 3 will become 3 upon 1 to the whole power 3, and this 1 upon 2 will become 2 upon 1 to the whole power 3, and this 1 upon 4 will become 4 upon 1 to the whole power 3, and this 3 upon 1 to the whole power 3 can be written as 3 to the power 3, and 2 upon 1 to the whole power 3 can be written as 2 to the power 3, and this 4 upon 1 to the whole power 3 can be written as 4 to the power 3. What we will do now, we will expand these and multiply. Then after multiplication we will got 20 within a bracket 27 minus 8 is divided by 64. Now after subtraction we will got 19 divided by 64, and which can be written as 19 upon 64. This is our final answer. Next is here we have to evaluate within a bracket 5 inverse, like 5 to the power minus 1 can we say is as 5 inverse into 3 inverse to the whole power minus 1 divided by 6 inverse. Now as we know how we can remove the minus power by the reciprocal of the base. So this 5 will become 1 upon 5, and this 3 inverse can be written as 1 upon 3. As you are seeing, there is a whole power minus 1. Now as this 6 inverse can be written as 1 upon 6. Now what we will do, we will multiply numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator, like 1 1 1 and 5 3 15. It will be 1 upon 5 to the whole power minus 1 is divided by 1 upon 6. Again there is a negative power, so what we will do, again we will find the reciprocal of the base, this 1 upon 15. So when this 1 upon 15 will become 15 upon 1, and we know there is no need to write the power 1, and 15 upon 1 divided by 1 upon 6. Now as we know that this divide converts into multiply, and there will be a reciprocal of the second number, as second number is 1 upon 6, so this 1 upon 6 will become 6 upon 1. Now what we will do, we will find the product of numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So after multiplying 15 to the 6, 15 6 is 90 and 1 1 is 1. That means you will got 90 upon 1, which can be written as 90. This which will be your final answer. Now next question is, here we have to find the value of x, for which 4 upon 9 to the whole power 4 into 4 upon 9 to the whole power minus 7 equals to 4 upon 9 to the whole power 2x minus 1. So what we'll do here, first we simplify the left hand side and the right hand side will be in continue. Like as you're seeing in the left hand side, both the rational number are having same base, 4 upon 9 and 4 upon 9, and they are in multiplication, and we know if the rational number and multiplication are having same base, then their powers add. So we will add the powers. It will be 4 upon 9 to the whole power 4 plus within a bracket minus 7 equals to 4 upon 9 to the whole power 2x minus 1. And then next step, we will simplify 4 upon 9 to the whole power 4 minus 7 equals to 4 upon 9 to the whole power 2x minus 1. Now after the subtraction, we will got 4 upon 9 to the whole power minus 3 equals to 4 upon 9 to the whole power 2x minus 1. Now listen student, don't do the mistakes to remove the negative power, because these type of question, how we solve, like we make the same base of both the side numbers. Like as you are seeing in the left hand side, it is 4 upon 9, and in right hand side also you are having 4 upon 9 in the base. So now we can compare both the side. Then what happens, this 4 upon 9 and 4 upon 9 will cancel. We'll not show this. Then we will got minus 3 and 2x minus 1, which can be written as 2x minus 1 equals to minus 3. Then what will happen, then this minus 1 when go to the right hand side, it will become plus 1. So as we know, different sign subtract, so we will got 2x minus 2. As this in 2x, 2 is in multiplication, and when this will go in other side, it will be in division. So x equals to minus 2 upon 2. As both the 2 can be cancelled by 2, 2 1 is 2 and 2 1 is 2, then we will got x equals to minus 1, which is our final answer. So students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.